Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another limited edition beauty box from Next, and it is the Glow Up box. Next have loads of beauty boxes on their website. Costs £25, has a value of £85 and contains 8 products. I'll pop a link to this one down below in my description, and I'll also pop a link to the actual page where you'll see all the other beauty boxes. They bring out loads all the time. Every single month there's new beauty boxes. They make perfect gifts for people as well. I know a few of my friends buy Next boxes as presents, but they've also got like to and from and things like that, you know. Prices usually start from about £20 upwards. I think you can get like £15 or £18 ones as well. But yeah, definitely recommend checking the Next website out if you are able to shop from Next, that is, because I know a lot of you are out of the UK. But yeah, so let's get on to this one then. I didn't know which one to choose. I always like choosing one to share with you. And I think this one just stood out for me and I can't remember why. Oh yes, I know why. Look, there's lots of products in here, isn't there? So bearing in mind this is a £25 box, I want to know what you think and whether you think it's worth it. So let's start off then with a gorgeous cleansing balm. This is Elemis and it's a Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm. So it's a little one. What size are you? 20 grams. It's just gorgeous. I love all the cleansing balms from Elemis. It just feels so nice on my skin. The oiliness removes makeup really, really well. And then I use another wash then afterwards. Can't describe the scent actually. I've been filming for the last hour or two and I've got things on my hands here, which I have wiped away, but I'm getting mixed scents. It's got like a eucalyptus subtle sort of scent to it, but it is quite subtle. But no, it's a really nice one if you haven't tried it. It is really, really lovely. So we got that, and oh, we've got this, which has come in handy. I've had this before, tried looking for something similar in my drawer with all my polishes, couldn't find it. So handy, handy, handy for me. It highlights and repairs Active Shine by Manicurist Paris. And yeah, it's a really nice little polish. I've had my fake nails taken away from me and my nails are horrid. They're broken right down in the corners, so then the nails have come off. I've got tiny little tips. I'm noticing that my skin around my nails are really dry. When I've got fake nails on, they're not. They look great. So I don't know what on earth is going on, but I need something to cover them. I had to remove my fake ones because I'm going back to Lithuania for my second round of skin removal surgery. And obviously you can't have anything on your nails. But this will be really nice to take with me to apply afterwards. But yeah, so there's that. And we've got Rituals. Love Rituals. And this is Invisible Sun Protection Milky Spray. Hydro Boost Complex SPF 30. And it's water resistant as well. And there's 50 mils here. Ritual of Karma is the scent, which is beautiful. Hopefully it'll tell. Oh, it does there. Lotus flower and white tea. I love the scent. It's so, so nice. So let's have a spray. Woo. There. Okay. Whoa, look. It did come out as a proper spray, but I think I didn't press as much then. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love this. It's like a body cream with a gorgeous scent, but also with SPF 30 in it. I think it's lovely, and it's one of the reasons. Oh, look, let me try and do it here. Woo! Yeah, don't do it near to any furniture because it's squirt everywhere, but no, it's nice. And you just turn it off like that then. Let's clean it up. Yeah, I love that. And that is the main reason really why I went for this box. Then we've got Dr. Pawpaw Glimmer Glaze Lip Oil with natural pawpaw in plum, hydrating and nourishing, fragrance-free and vegan. There's 100 mils here. I think I've had this before, but not in its original packaging. No, I haven't. No, I haven't, unless they've changed their packaging, because look. That's quite cute. You can hook it on your bag. Okay, there. Let's see that colour. Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? I'll try some on my lip. Have I put too much on? It's very oily. I love a lip oil though. Does the colour look different? It's just a hint, isn't it? A hint of a tint. But no, I love that. So it's glimmer. Does it look shiny? I don't know. Yeah, I like that. Plum. Love it. I will definitely use that. Then we've got, this is Bare by Vogue Williams. And this is a liquid body illuminator. Helps cover imperfections and smooth the skin's appearance for the ultimate glow that is both water and transfer resistant. Do you know what? I'm getting older and I think my eyesight is going. I wear glasses to see far away. So for watching TV and driving, I wear glasses all the time. But my up close eyesight has always been perfect. But I'm actually 50 tomorrow. And the optician said, nope, you're lucky that it hasn't affected you yet, but it will do. You're close up. And I'm noticing now everything just seems so small to me. Well, else I'm sure it wasn't this bad before. But anyway, liquid body illuminator, and there's 50 mils there. I don't think I've ever tried anything from Vogue Williams. I don't think so. I'll just put my hand here. Ooh, okay. Oh, so it's proper glow. Oh, wow, look at the colour difference. It's nice. It is really, really nice. I think it's got a nice smell as well because it's all mixed in with everything else. I think it's got like a slight coconutty, summer beachy type smell. I think so. But yeah, I really like that. That is nice. That'd be really nice to wear on a night out or something like that in the summer, isn't it? Liquid body illuminator. Yeah, I love that. Oh. Then we've got Brushworks, and these are 3 cloths. Reusable makeup remover cloths. Always handy. I always use these. Me and my daughter, we've got them piled high in the bathroom. Nice little size. Although, do you know what? Even though it looks nice, sometimes they do stain. Especially when you're getting like waterproof mascara off, you're left with a little bit of stain, even though it's clean, it's washed or whatever. They're nice and soft, nice big size. I love them, especially these Brushworks ones. But yeah, happy with that. Then we've got, it's wrapped up. This is by Be Perfect, Scorched Solstice Luxe Powder Blush. Okay. Powder blush. Oh look, Solstice. So we're going to get like a coppery shade. It looks like. Okay, got a mirror. That's quite nice, isn't it? Where can I try it? I'll try it over here. That's nice. Yeah, that is really nice. I have got a mixture of liquids on my hands, that's why it's not blending out well. And dry patches. But I think that's a really pretty colour. Yeah, definitely suit me with my gingery hair. No, I like that. And it's shiny as well, isn't it? Yeah, it is a shine. Is it? Is it? No, I don't think it is. I don't think it is. The shade is called Burnt Peach. So yeah, no, I like that. And then lastly, we've got a sheet mask. And this is by Beauty Pro, hyaluronic acid hydrating, a facial sheet mask with chamomile, soya and wild rose. Got all the information on the back there. And yeah, so those are all the products in the next beauty box. I've forgotten what it's called. The Glow Up. So we've got a sheet mask, we've got a powder blush, we've got a shine nail polish, we've got an illuminating body cream, we've got a glimmery lip oil in plum shade, we've got a Pro Collagen cleansing balm, we've got an SPF body cream. It smells of Ritual Karma, which is beautiful. And then lastly, we've got a set of 3 Microcraft makeup rounds. I really, really like this box and I'm so glad I went for it. There's some really lovely products in there. Next boxes don't have a huge value sort of ratio to the price. Obviously it's £25. It's a value of £85. So you're saving £60. But I do really like the products in this one. Not all the boxes. Some of the boxes can be quite samey, especially if you do like getting them often. Yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know whether you would, if it was your birthday and someone bought this for you, would you be really chuffed? Would you think, oh wow, that's so lovely? Or would you think, oh, do you know what? I'll never use any of the products. It's not for me. I'm not going to buy it either. So yeah, whatever. I'd love to hear. But yeah, so thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.